I'm in my yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I...
Walmart, and I needed to pick out paint. I was trying to go for Tiffany blue, but I couldn't see a color that was close enough for me. I mean, that one was close. And then again, I was like, I might as well just do pink. So, I had to grab 2 cans. This one. It's like a nice little pastel light pink. Probably still want to do blue, but it's okay. We don't see. Okay, so in this video, you can see us painting our Coop, and we chose the Tiffany blue color. Now, after we painted it, I realized I probably would have liked it better if it was pink, but I'm not the one that's gonna be living in it, so we're gonna stick with this color. And we bought 4 cans of the blue color and 2 cans of primer by the same company from Walmart. So total, we probably spent like $30 on spray paint alone. We went around with all 4 cans and a little bit on the insides that you might see in this video. And I used wood pallets for it, but you can see the texture of the wood still coming through the paint. So next time I'll probably sand the wood first. So I need to buy a sander. But with like 2 coats of primer and 4 cans of spray, color spray, I think we did pretty good. And you can see Vaughn doing his side. He's doing a lot of work. He's more experienced in spray paint than I am. So I appreciate him helping me. So we went on to finish it, and as you can see, we didn't wear masks most of the time, so our nose hairs were colored and a little bit of his beard. But this is it after us painting it with 2 layers of primer and 4 cans of colored spray. And you can see we didn't, that's the back right there, so we wasn't really too focused on that. Got some scratch, it started growing and fermenting. Stop eating it. Handsome man. Ooh, look at you. Nah, you're gonna be drunk. Get some nice greens.
I need it.
Proceeds to F it up. What is this monstrosity? Oh, now she want to be nosy.
That's what they want.
I'm in my yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I...